Hey guys, so these are the boat Rockerz 335. A couple of things that really got me excited is the Qualcomm aptx HD support along with that dual pairing mode. So let's talk about the pros and cons and my overall experience about this, whether you should buy this or not. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe and also like this video. Let's begin. So I bought this from Flipkart for about 2000 rupees and I'll drop a link in the description. And here you can see some of the important specs. It has the IPX5 water rating and some sort of fast charge and some crazy battery life, along with dual pairing and of course the aptx HD support and the low latency, and we'll try and test out all of this stuff. So in the box you are getting the earphones, couple of extra ear tips along with the Type-C charging cable and some usual paper stuff. I really like the build of these earphones. They feel actually metal. Correct me if I'm wrong, even the earbuds also feel some sort of metal. But what I don't like is, although these earbuds are magnetic, there is no play pause function, and even if you attach them, it does not turn on or even turn off the earphone. So that is really irritating. So basically you need to rely on this power button for such functions. So speaking of the controls, you have everything on the right side, and using the power button you can actually play pause the music, and also double pressing it will dial the last called number, and also pressing it and holding it will actually invoke the Google Assistant. Another good thing is you can control the volume, but in order to skip tracks you have to press and hold these buttons, which can be a little bit annoying because pressing it once could be a better option. Another cool thing is the dual pairing. The best use case is I was using this with my laptop watching something, and I got a call on my phone and it automatically paused the media on the laptop, and I was able to talk to the person using the Bluetooth earphones on the call, so that was pretty good. Also the earphones automatically switches the devices depending on where the media is playing, but it does take a bit of few seconds, I would say, slight delay, but it works really good. Also during my usage I did not notice any drops in the connection, and the Bluetooth range was pretty standard, I would say, so didn't have any issues in terms of connectivity. Now it also has the low latency mode, but you don't have to switch it, it is by default on, and I tested this using this app. You can see the small demo. It feels under 150-ish, but when I played games also there was very minimal lag, so games are kind of playable, I would say. It also has the mic with that CVC technology, and here is a sample for you guys. Hey guys, now I'm recording this with the Boat Rockerz 335 Bluetooth earphones in a fairly quiet room with a bit of ambient noise, and it has that CVC technology. So I'm going to turn on the fan and see how much the background noise it can cut off. And also I had a pretty good experience with the calls, I must say. So let me know guys how the mic quality is, and I'm also going to be quiet for a second. I think you can hear the background noise, the fan. Yeah, so I would say it's pretty good for the calls, at least indoors. So with some noisy environment, I really have to test this out, but I would say it's pretty good. Now moving to the sound, I'm honestly disappointed. The sound lacks clarity, it doesn't feel clean. The stereo separation and the instrument separation leave a lot to be desired. It felt like it sounds just flat with no character, and nothing really stands out. I feel these are very average and generic sounding earphones. The treble could be crisper, it feels mostly subdued. The mids are just okay, they lack the detail. The bass is again just about average. Feels muddy, could be punchier. I think the soundstage could be better. The problem is the overall sound actually has some sort of weird reverb effect. I don't know what it is, but it sounds really artificial. I'm a simple man, I personally prefer a more cleaner and clearer sound. And who doesn't like that punchy bass with some nice depth? Even if the treble is just about okay, but I couldn't find that in these earphones. Music is subjective experience, so your mileage may vary. However, I feel a lot of people resonate with my music experience. Yes, it has all the good hardware, but the sound tuning or the sound signature also matters, and I'm not very happy with it. I'll try and do a comparison with some other popular choices like the OnePlus Bullets and the Realme ones or the Oppo ones. So stay tuned to the channel and also like this video, guys. But finally, moving to the battery life, honestly I did not test the battery life because I've been using this for a few hours and I couldn't drain it, and it at least takes about 2-3 days to actually test it fully. So maybe I'll update this in the description or in the pinned comment. Also, you guys, if you are using these earphones, do share your experience. And that's been it for this video, guys. Please like this video, also subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.